Hi there, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be working on women health, primarily focusing on menstrual discomfort, all the cramping issues, and the uneasiness while the PMS. And it will help you in soothing to have a comfortable periods. You can intensify or reduce the intensity of this flow by just applying the modifications. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. Choose to rest if you feel uncomfortable while practicing with me. First, sit up in any comfortable position over your mat or on the couch. Close your eyes. First, center yourself. For that, take a couple of deep breathings where you primarily focus on exhalations. 5 to 10 rounds of breath should be good enough. Keep breathing and just be relaxed and focus only on your exhalations. Try not to move your body. And whenever you are done, just gently open your eyes and let's get started. First, enclasp your fingers like a fist together and try to open up your elbows to your sideways. Keep your spine straight. Do it to 5 times. Remember to keep the fingers interlocked throughout the practice. Now, take your right hand up over your head, left hand on the left knee, and hold the hand and keep your spine straight, sit bones over the mat and keep breathing. Hold it to 45 seconds or up to a minute. And whenever you feel you are feeling uncomfortable, put your hand down. Raise your left hand, hold it for, like I said, 30 to 45 seconds or up to a minute, and then bring it up. Now, keep away your arms away from your body. Take your right hand above the body and left hand just right above your mat. Change your sides to have a greater opening in your side part of the body. And now try to push a virtual hypothetical wall away from you from both the palms. This will help you in bringing a good posture while creating a good momentum in your upper body. Now take your cactus arm, bring it down. Take it up with exhale down, up. Try to keep your arms as relaxed as possible. Continue breathing. And now hold your both the elbows with other fingers of your palm and try to surrender right in front of the body to the place where you feel comfortable while folding forward. Do not overstress yourself, but try to have a good, healthy posture where you keep your sit bones, your hips down over the mat. Now spread your arms to the side and do the same thing and fold forward. Do a couple of times and relax. From here, we are going to bring left palm over the left knee and bring the left shoulder with the support of right hand forward and backward. Very mild movement but highly useful. Do the same from the right shoulder. Very mindfully roll it back, bring it forward and put it back. And now make a big fist and rotate it clockwise as well as anti-clockwise right in front of your body. And of course, remember to do both sides And now spread your fingers, take above your head and try to rotate it to make a big wide circle. Keep your arms and feet really nicely active and do it from the other side like anti-clockwise. And now relax whenever you feel ready. Now bring your left palm over the mat, take right hand on over your right side of the body and give a right good stretch on your right side. Use your hand to give you a support. Now do a left stretch. Repeat the same time. This time try to go a little deeper than the last time, where you bring your elbow down over the mat. You can choose to stretch your right leg and come back to center. And from here, we are going to get into a pigeon pose where you fold your left knee and the foot outside. It don't have to be perfectly aligning with your sit bones. And stretch the right leg all the way back and rest over here. Keep your hips square, grounded. Make a conscious effort of keeping both the hips similarly active and take your arms wider in front of the body or at the side of your body to bring a couple of good nice stretches in the pigeon stretch. You can choose to rest and now it's time to change your sides to the right side. First, we do the side stretch. You remember where you bring our elbow to the mat and give a good nice stretch and spread the left foot out at the back of the mat. Come back to the center. Again, give a good stretch. And from here, gently we rotate the knee and bring it to the right side. And place the foot wherever you feel comfortable. Try to bring your hips down towards the floor and squared. Keep breathing. Use your palms to align yourself and do a couple of stretches while being in the pigeon stretch. This will really help you in keeping your hips and spine active, alive. You can again choose to rest over here in this position. Keep nice long breathing. And keep your hips actively aware and gently try to sit in Baddha Konasana. Keep your both the feet together but little away from your groin and very mindfully try to stretch your groin. You can use a blanket or pillow to support yourself here. You don't have to just fold forward if you feel that is too much for you at this moment. You can just stay halfway in the fold or just sit up straight. And once you feel a nice stretch in Baddha Konasana, try to bring your right foot and left foot 90-degree facing upward. Now try to hold this position and of course change your sides to your left side, right side, both sides. And if it makes you feel comfortable, try to get into a Skandasana. Go as low as you can. And from here, bring your right foot out and get into Anjanasana. You can choose to lift your knee up, or you just can put it down on the mat as per your convenience and take your hands above your head, or just stay at the heart center and change the side of the Skandasana to your left side. Do the same. Hold it to the point where you can comfortably, and then get into Anjanasana, this time to your left side. Hands at the heart center or above the head, whatever makes you comfortable. Lift up your knee or not, that modification depends upon you, and keep breathing. And from here, with control, try to get into a gentle forward fold while keeping your knees bent, and then gradually reduce your stance, and again back to a Malasana. Align your hip and feet as per your flexibility and comfort. Use a yoga block right beneath your hips if you feel comfortable with that. Choose your modifications and hold Malasana for up to 30 seconds. From here, sit comfortably in Vajrasana. Again, you can choose modification to support yourself under your feet, and open up your arms on the sideways and try to do some inhalation and exhalation while opening your arms wide open and bringing it towards the heart center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale completely and stretch your arm at the back of your body. Give a gentle forward fold. And from here, leave your hands and gradually get into a half forward fold, half child pose, where you keep your arms on the yoga mat for support. And now gradually open your knees wide open and get into a child pose. Use your arms on back of your shoulder blades to reach all the way up and then down to the mat. Use your fingers for a great mobility in your upper body and forming your shoulders really well. And whenever you feel you are comfortable enough, get into an even deeper child pose. You can choose to keep your knees wide open or together as per your convenience. And try to relax and get rid of all the discomfort which you have through your menstrual cramps or PMS symptoms. And try to focus only on your exhalation while staying in the child pose. Hold this pose for as long as you want and keep breathing, and just try to recall what went well with this practice and what is the one thing which you would like to improve when you practice this next time. And I hope with this practice you feel quite relaxed and rejuvenated. And choose your breath to calm yourself. And whenever you feel relaxed enough, you can comfortably sit up straight Gently take some few breaths while keeping your hands above your chest or belly to connect with your breath even more. And feel the exhalations and inhalations deeply. And by now, you must be feeling calm, a bit relaxed than before. Now rub your palms and bring it over your face and look between your palm. I hope you had an amazing practice with me and you are feeling a little bit better than before. If you have enjoyed practicing with me, then hit the like button and keep practicing. And like I always say, I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.